Hey everyone, hope you are all are doing well. So we are gonna review today a product named InstaDoodle. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so basically this product you can create whiteboard animation videos very easily as you have seen in this video. So studio grade whiteboard videos in just click like a butterflies, thousands of characters. Okay, so there are a lot of things in here. Okay, let's say price and here grab a control right some. Okay, so here you can pay around $37 for one-time offer and get the instant doodle right now. Okay, so down here we say about it's 4.8 rating out of 5. So the product is I guess really well. Uh, Doodle video boost sales by 0.5. Okay, yeah, this one is also correct. As we see animated whiteboard videos attract more people. Okay, animated videos are hard to create. Okay, so they are given explanation here. Answers, try install. Okay. Hmm. Who can use install? Okay. Marketers, non-profit, content creators, small business owners. Okay, educated teachers. Okay. Yeah, they can use it in their videos or the sales or marketing purpose. Details. Okay. Okay, apart from computers, they are providing customization AI technology, cloud-based app, easy and fun to use, and rapid video generation. Transform your ideas in professional doodle with these. Okay. So here there is a demo video in which they will show how you can also create a doodle in simple steps. Okay. Create a annotated video ads, high quality, cloud, a library with thousand images, installable engine. Okay, you can add here. You see, you can add your own image and voice over as well. You can also import images. Okay, so images there will be free software updates, and this is a cloud base, so you can use it on multiple machines. Okay, as you can see, there is 4.8 of rating out of 5. Done. Okay, foundation member get it 87% discount. See, there is a 30-day money back return also. Okay, if you come here, okay, get more sales, get more views. You can subscribe, save time. Yeah, you can use this for explaining anything in your YouTube videos or for sale purposes. Okay, here you can get it for $37 one-time offer. Okay, here are all the things you can get. Create unlimited drag and drop, 1000 plus 158 credits, HD videos. Okay, so if there are any questions, yeah, do I install? Okay, so as it is on progress, you can use it on web. So it will be easy without installation and anything. Most of the SaaS softwares are online, so there is no headache of installation and everything. There is a rating and here is about. Okay, so as you see, you have seen all the details about the InstaDoodle. So if anyone want to buy, please click on the description. I have given the link. Okay, I'll see you. Bye bye. Take care.